Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Trends and setting region plus timeframe. Pick 12 months to see sustained demand. Enter 3 to 5 seed keywords tied to niches you understand, then compare them so you can immediately spot which terms show rising percentage interest or seasonal spikes. Once done, filter by category to remove unrelated noise and toggle web search versus shopping to focus on buyer intent. Make sure to note baseline search volume patterns before moving to product refinement. Next, you refine ideas by clicking related queries and sorting by rising to capture breakout search terms. This shows what people suddenly want. Then inspect the regional interest heat map so you know where to prioritize marketing and shipping. Once you've identified top queries, switch the comparison to shopping search to confirm purchase intent. This reduces hobby traffic. Also export the data or screenshot trends for reference. Make sure to record any consistent upward slope as your validation signal. Finally, choose products that show a consistent upward trend, solid shopping interest, and manageable competition. You want momentum, not a one-day spike. Estimate seasonality and supplier lead times so inventory matches demand, then create a simple test listing to validate conversions. Once done, monitor weekly, adjust keywords, and add targeting based on region performance. If the data is noisy or inconsistent, broaden the time frame or include related categories to smooth out anomalies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.